So this is the projector and this is the bag over here. What's gonna happen is this cord over here is gonna be already connected. They would want us to connect here and use the projector, but we can't do that. So what you have to do is unplug this cord, take it out, and now this is where you're gonna put the projector back in, the projector. So once you take that out, you can start to turn the PowerPoint on. So you can just turn it on by pressing this button. Then you can take the laptop bag here. What I've done is left the laptop plugged in. So do that. And then take the cord out of the bag there. Alright, so one end is gonna be HDMI and the other end is gonna be the converter. You have to make sure, so this projector can't take the HDMI, so make sure this is in the bag as well. So one end, just where we took the initial plug out, you have to plug this in. So connect the HDMI. It shouldn't be disconnected, so plug that in. And then now the big side, the gold tip side, the DVI will go in the projector. So go ahead for me, Dahi, please. Nice, and then give it a, yep. Take your time. Alright, so once you've done that, you can open the laptop up. And there's no password. It should automatically turn on. So just wait for that to load. So once you, no, thank you. Once you open the laptop, this should usually be on. The program that we use is called mediashout. If the program is not on, you can find it here. Go through the start menu and then look for mediashout 4. Sometimes you get this weird error message, not really error, but they wanna just do some just modifications and just change the layout and or the look of it. Just I have everything set up, so just click on ignore. And you can click on the proceed for all, so you don't have to click one by one. So this is the program that we use. Initially, when we have it set up and without the HDMI connected, we have this one screen. Now, if you connect the HDMI, go ahead, Dahi, plug that into there. Yep, triangle to triangle. The computer is gonna just kind of like go through its thing, and then it's gonna recognize that something was plugged in, and then this thing again, you can just press proceed all similar differences in file this way, and then you can just ignore. Once you have that on, you might want to check that the projector turns on. So once the projector comes on, these two icons will show. So this icon is always gonna show, and these two icons will show only when the projector's on. So what that means is when you show the projector, just the whatever, that's gonna show the desktop of the computer and whatever is playing. Right now we have this video. Let's see here. So I'll take that off. Right now this is the desktop. You can kind of see that. Let's see here. It's a desktop-ish, right? You can kind of see the desktop kind of forming there. So that's showing up over there. And then here, once you press the 2 icon, the dual screen, you're going to start to project all the things that are in this program. So, for example, we have these lyrics, simplicity. Once you click on that, and that's showing, that's going to show on the screen as well. So the important thing that you have to know for here is some of the graphics will already be here. So here's some of the sermon graphics. What you need to know is adding and deleting. You can delete these songs by selecting on it and then clicking on the delete key, del. And once you do that, you can just kind of go through a delete. This is how you add songs. There's two ways, but the easiest way to do is click on here, songs, and then click, let's pick a song here. What would you like to add today?
No.
Pick a song, anything. I Can Sing of Your Love Forever. That's a good one. So start typing a song name. Yep, and then press enter. So sometimes you don't have to write the whole lyrics. So for example, this song, I Can Sing of Your Love Forever, it's probably not going to be the title of the song. So what I usually do is maybe go up to I Can Sing. Okay, well, this is not a good example, but let's just say we were looking for Give Me Jesus. You want to click and then just drag it on here. So maybe let's look for Mighty to Save. So type in Mighty to Save. Enter. There's gonna be a couple versions, right? Mighty to Save might be inside all these songs, but the song that we probably want is Mighty to Save, and you can kind of get the preview. So once you click onto it, you're gonna see all the previews, and what you want to do is click on this song. So you want to click on the actual physical song here. Just click on it gently and then drag. The other way you can do and add songs are just click on an empty space, right click, insert, lyric, and then you can type in your song. Let's see, for example, Shepherd. There's Shepherd. Click on it, see the lyrics, and once you double click on it, it's gonna show up here. Press select, and Shepherd will show up. And that's pretty much it. And once you're ready to go and put the lyrics on, click on this here, click on an icon, and you can just press enter. But this is something that the iPad team will do, so don't worry about that.